Welcome to the Independent Academy podcast, where we dive into the cutting-edge world of technology to empower you with the knowledge and insights needed to achieve greater independence. Join us as we explore topics ranging from finance, Bitcoin, and blockchain to AI and philosophy, uncovering remarkable opportunities amidst the transformative age we are living in. Get ready to stay ahead of the trends and unlock your full potential. In today's episode, we'll cover the Bitcoin-integrated smart contract platform Rootstock and its features, including Turing-complete smart contracts, scalability, and security, its use of merged mining with Bitcoin and a two-way peg system for BTC and RBTC, its compatibility with DeFi projects, money on chain, Sovereign, Tropicus, and its ability to enable Ethereum smart contracts on Bitcoin. We'll also discuss how the Rootstock ecosystem thrives through community engagement, diverse applications, and its potential for growth and improvement. So let's talk about Rootstock. Have you heard of it? Well, in a nutshell, Rootstock is a smart contract platform that's all about working hand in hand with Bitcoin. It's like the perfect companion for the world's leading cryptocurrency. Now, you might be wondering, how did Rootstock come to be? Well, it was created with the aim of enhancing Bitcoin and making it even more awesome. The developers behind Rootstock saw the potential of Bitcoin and wanted to take it to the next level. And boy, did they succeed. One of the key things that Rootstock brings to the table is its support for Turing-complete smart contracts. This means that you can do some really cool things with your Bitcoin transactions. You can program them to execute certain actions automatically when certain conditions are met. It's like adding a whole new layer of functionality to your Bitcoin experience. But that's not all. Rootstock also boasts scalability and security as its core features. With scalability, it means that Rootstock can handle a high volume of transactions without clogging up the network. And when it comes to security, Rootstock has got your back. It's designed to be robust and resistant to attacks, so you can feel confident in using it. That's Rootstock in a nutshell. It's a smart contract platform that's tightly integrated with Bitcoin, and it brings a whole lot of new functionalities and opportunities to the table. Now let's dive into the technical backbone of Rootstock. So let's begin with a fascinating topic called merged mining. Basically, Rootstock leverages Bitcoin's hash power to secure its network. It's like getting a boost from the powerhouse that is Bitcoin mining, which ensures Rootstock's robustness and security. Another important aspect of Rootstock is its two-way peg system. This feature allows for seamless conversion between Bitcoin, BTC, and Rootstock's native currency, known as RBTC. Why is this important? Well, it enhances liquidity and utility, making it easier for users to interact with both blockchains. Plus, it opens up a world of possibilities for cross-chain applications and interoperability. RBTC is always worth the same as BTC, since it is pegged one-to-one. This means we can do DeFi without needing to sell our Bitcoin for a different asset, like most other blockchains. Is the best way to get utility out of your BTC. Now let's talk about scalability solutions. Rootstock understands the need for faster transaction times, and they've got a clever approach. It is a sidechain, which are like parallel chains that can handle a significant number of transactions. This helps alleviate congestion and improves overall scalability while still using the main Bitcoin chain as a settlement layer. In summary, Rootstock's technical backbone combines merged mining with a two-way peg system and scalability solutions like sidechains. This creates a strong foundation for a secure, efficient, and scalable blockchain platform. Another important point to touch on is financial inclusion. Rootstock aims to provide access to decentralized finance for everyone. They believe that financial services shouldn't be limited to a select few, but instead should be available to all, regardless of location or background. Now let's talk about the DeFi ecosystem that Rootstock is a part of. There are some exciting projects within this ecosystem that are worth highlighting. One of them is money on chain, which allows users to create stable coins backed by Bitcoin. This can be a game changer because it combines the security of Bitcoin with the reduced volatility of stablecoins. Another project to keep an eye on is Sovereign. It's a decentralized platform that offers various financial services, including lending and trading. Sovereign aims to make these services accessible to anyone with an internet connection without relying on traditional intermediaries. Lastly, let's touch on the compatibility aspect. Rootstock is all about enabling Ethereum smart contracts. but on the Bitcoin network. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for developers and users alike. It allows them to harness the power of Ethereum's smart contracts while benefiting from the security and network effects of Bitcoin. And that's a wrap. We hope this episode sheds some light on Rootstock and its role in the world of financial empowerment. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. In today's podcast, we explored Rootstock, a Bitcoin-integrated smart contract platform that enhances Bitcoin with Turing-complete smart contracts, scalability and security using merged mining, a two-way peg system for BTC and RBTC, and implementing scalability solutions, empowering financial inclusion, connecting DeFi projects, and enabling Ethereum smart contracts on Bitcoin, all while thriving through community engagement, diverse applications, and future potential for growth and improvement. As we embark on the remarkable journey of the greatest transformation in the world, join us at Independent Academy to explore the frontier of various technologies and unlock the massive opportunities that lie ahead. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of the revolution.